What's up, guys? This is Anthony V back here for another episode. If you guys would just do me a favor and punch that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already, and then we'll get right into it. Everyone back over! Holy shit! You guys going on the ride today? Yeah. Nice. Yeah, both of those are fun scooters. Yeah. How's everyone doing? Good. I'm Anthony. I'm Jennifer. Coy. Samuel, nice to meet you guys. I see you got a helmet. Where you ride?
Yeah, I'm riding a moped. Just got it like 2 days ago.
Nice. Is it down over there?
Yeah, it's down over there.
I think I might have saw it when I passed. In here, this place is awesome. The Brazilian Steakhouse. Yeah, if everyone wants to get their gear kind of like in here, and I'm gonna try to take a picture of all that.
Electric unicycle.
That's an electric unicycle, EUC. It goes like 30 to 40 miles on a charge. That thing I think probably goes like 30, 40 miles an hour.
Wow.
Yeah. Have fun, man. Oh, that's a nice car.